Hi, this is Ashish and welcome to another English lesson on SucceedEng. Today's session is all about the use of ain't. Ain't has a long and vital history as the substitute of isn't and aren't. It was originally formed with the contraction am not. Now, even though it has been condemned as a classic mistake in the English language, ain't is still used as part of a joking phrase or to convey a down-to-earth. But if you consistently use it in your language, then you are sure to be looked down upon by the English grammarian. If you found this video helpful, then do hit the like button and share this with your friends. If you have any thoughts on the topic, then please leave them in the comments below. If you're watching this on Facebook, then please like my page. And if you're watching it on YouTube, then do subscribe to my channel for more such updates in the future. Until next time, bye-bye.